Hello my friends, today let's ask ourselves a question. How do we check or to know the capacity of the computer that we are using in terms of RAM and ROM? Some people, they write to us this computer has 500 GB and 8 GB RAM, but you cannot be able to tell if you're the first timer when you're buying a computer as a first timer. But today I'm going to take you through the basic things that you can check using the CMD command, and you know the computer that you're using. So the first thing I'm going to do, you click Windows R and then you write CMD, then enter. By doing this, you have opened the CMD or the command prompt. Here are some of the basic things you are supposed to check. For example, in the part 1, we have how to check the size of RAM and ROM using the CMD. What you're going to do, you write this command, this WinMake memory sheet and capacity. If you like this, you copy this and you paste it here. The computer, this is the command. After clicking enter, you'll get the capacity of our RAM. Our RAM has all these digits which are measured in bytes. So to get this one, we open our calculator and see is 10, 20, 24 is 1 GB, and we multiply by 10, 24 and multiply again by 10, 24, which is 1,073,741,824. So if we take this digit, take these digits, and you open our list here, then say divide by this, paste this one, and you divide by 1,073,741,824. It means your computer has 4 GB of RAM. So this one is 4 GB of RAM. Also, to check the size, the capacity of your hard disk, you copy this command and you get this one. This is 500 billion 105,000 million 243,280. If you divide this by 1024 to power 3, you're going to get 500 GB. But this one is tiresome. What is the best way to get the size of a RAM or a ROM. If we use this command here, and paste it here, leave an error here, and then we enter, your computer will start calculating, and automatically will give us the best calculation for our RAM. Our total physical memory has a total of 4015 MB. If you divide this one by 1024, it means we have 4 GB of RAM. So this one is a bit, is a given trace accurate answer of what we are asking. What about if we want to understand the size and the name of the hard disk that we're using? Here we can write WinMake drive, the disk drive, get caption, then comma size. So automatically we are going to get that my computer has a hard disk of Toshiba, and this is the serial number. Then so this one is a bit clear. Now, what if we want to know the generation of my computer? We write CPU get name. This means that I am using an Intel Core i3 generation 5 with a CPU of 2 GHz. So friends, this is the best way to understand which computer you are using and the size, and no one can lie to you. So I am very thankful for watching my video. Continue subscribing and sharing to your friends. Let's learn together. Thank you.